Pixim Digital Pixel System technology is revolutionizing the security camera industry by delivering unprecedented image quality and fidelity in all lighting conditions to give you the peace of mind that you should expect from your security cameras. With Pixim chipsets powering your cameras, you are assured the highest total resolution with both highlight and shadow detail, plus accurate color reproduction regardless of lighting changes. In fact, in many cases, Pixim-powered cameras capture 1,000 times more data than standard CCD cameras. This is why so many of today's industries are choosing cameras powered by Pixim technology to maximize their security and surveillance capabilities. Throughout this short presentation, you will see numerous security industry applications in a variety of locations and lighting conditions, both inside and out, that clearly illustrate Pixim's superior performance in the 4 key areas of quality video imaging. Wide dynamic range allows cameras to capture highlight and shadow detail in the same scene at the same time, with no worries about camera location. High resolution, both horizontal and vertical, ensures that you can clearly distinguish your target image details. Superior color rendering accurately reproduces natural color, even in variable lighting. Zero camera blindness is the elimination of image noise and artifacts, such as vertical smear and picture blooming due to bright highlights in a scene. To illustrate how Pixim's technology shows clear advantages in strong backlight situations, let's begin with something as common as a building lobby. As the woman walks inside the building lobby, you can see that the facial detail, made up of highlights, shadows, and color, are much clearer with the Pixim-powered camera. Now look at the background. The camera with Pixim's wide dynamic range technology also gives a much clearer view of everything outside the lobby. Financial services institutions, early adopters of video surveillance, continually face risk of theft. Pixim-powered cameras are aiding in their efforts, both externally and from within. ATMs are a typical security application where highlights and shadow detail are required simultaneously for good facial recognition. As you can see, the camera with Pixim's digital technology makes suspect identification much easier than with the analog CCD camera. Uncontrolled lighting situations play havoc with skin tone, highlights, and shadows. Digital cameras powered with Pixim chipsets consistently provide the wide dynamic range necessary for excellent facial recognition. As is evident in this comparison of uncontrolled lighting, the analog CCD camera impairs facial recognition, while the Pixim-powered camera shows much more detailed features and skin tone. In high contrast situations, Pixim cameras enable easier identification of faces. In addition, the color accuracy and high resolution makes Pixim-powered cameras ideal for iris recognition applications. Today, it's not uncommon for casinos to have upwards of 3,000 security cameras trained on their gaming operations. Pixim's DPS technology provides many advantages in gaming security applications worldwide. Not only are the skin tones and white balance much more accurate than the CCD camera, but during the digital zoom, the Pixim-powered camera accurately reproduces the reds and blacks of the poker chips, uncovering an illegal bet by the gambler. The CCD misses this detail. Surveillance cameras have become an important component of retailers' overall security and anti-theft arsenals. Digital cameras using Pixim technology provide superior resolution and color, capturing accurate details of clothing and faces despite less than optimal lighting conditions. With Pixim, higher resolution and wide dynamic range translates into additional detail. Severe lighting and high contrast are commonplace in most warehouse environments. Cameras powered with Pixim DPS technology are proving to be the ideal security tool to help ensure uncompromised image fidelity for accurate surveillance. Notice the true color picked up on the truck outside the loading dock on a sunny day. Similar variable lighting conditions often occur in many commercial and industrial applications. Where accurate color, highlights, and shadows are required for superior surveillance, cameras equipped with Pixim DPS technology provide the wide dynamic range for delivering unprecedented image quality. Strong sunlight commonly hampers both the facial detail, background scene color, and clarity when analog CCD cameras are used. The Pixim-powered camera avoids these problems. Security cameras play an increasingly important role in overall airport security, both inside passenger terminals, in cargo areas, and on airport grounds. effective image recording is constantly compromised by uncontrolled lighting and inferior camera technology. In these shots, you will notice the higher resolution and truer color of the aircraft with the Pixim camera, as well as a clear view of all activity outside the hangar. Superior Pixim image fidelity also prevents visual artifacts, like the white vertical smear line registering in the CCD camera shot. Pixim allows natural color to remain true, with sharp details even when lighting conditions change from bright sunlight to artificial indoor lighting. The uncontrolled lighting conditions, such as bright skies, glare, and reflection, have always played havoc with accurate port surveillance, making Pixim-equipped cameras ideal for port security. In this example, you can see the greater perceived detail supplied by the Pixim-powered digital camera as compared to the analog CCD camera's failure to process image detail with the same harsh backlight condition. In addition, Pixim technology's superior color and sharper resolution over CCD cameras is clearly evident in these side-by-side comparison views. Train freight transport, like port security, faces the same security challenge of video monitoring through uncontrolled lighting conditions, harsh reflection, and glare. In addition, video surveillance has played an increased role in train security because of the 24/7 operation requirements, even in remote or lightly traveled areas. Pixim-powered cameras provide many advantages over CCD cameras for train security. In this scene, the CCD camera completely saturates the image when the sunlight shines between the rail cars. Increasing ridership while reducing crime against people and property are significant benefits of video surveillance on public transportation. Once again, this scenario shows the Pixim-powered camera delivering higher resolution, more natural color, and backlight control. Pixim's ability to provide greater facial detail is a key advantage in all areas of transit surveillance. The elimination of image artifacts, like vertical smear, and the ability to adjust to quickly changing light conditions is unique to Pixim's technology. Keeping a constant, vigilant watch over borders and facility perimeters relies on the support of video surveillance. The ever-changing extreme conditions of light and temperature make Pixim-equipped cameras the ideal choice for this application. Pixim technology ensures border security efforts have the gold standard for resolution, accurate color, and the elimination of common image artifacts. Today more than ever, so many industries have come to rely on video security as part of their business. Having peace of mind, knowing your security system will always capture high-quality images in even the most challenging and variable lighting conditions, is now made possible with Pixim powering your cameras.